Is your hard-earned PayPal money stuck in limbo? Let's get it released. It's incredibly frustrating when PayPal places a hold on your funds, leaving you unable to access your money. This often happens for new sellers. When you sell high-value items, or if PayPal detects unusual activity, but don't worry. There are clear steps you can take to resolve this. First, log into your PayPal account and check your notifications or resolution center. PayPal will usually provide a specific reason for the hold and indicate what information, if any, they need from you. This is the most crucial first step to understanding why your funds are on hold. Next, identify the specific transaction that's been placed on hold. Click on it to see more details. Some holds are temporary and will automatically be released after a certain period, often around 21 days, if no issues arise, but we want to speed this up. If you've shipped an item, the fastest way to speed up fund release is by providing shipping confirmation. Locate the transaction and look for an option to add tracking or mark as shipped. Enter your carrier and tracking number accurately. This is a strong signal to PayPal that the transaction is progressing as expected. For other types of holds, like those related to potential disputes or policy violations, PayPal might request additional documentation from you. This could include proof of shipment, receipts, or communication with the buyer. Carefully review their request and upload all necessary documents promptly and clearly. If you've provided all requested information and the hold persists, or if the reason isn't clear, it's time to contact PayPal support directly. You can usually do this through their resolution center or by finding their contact information on their website. Be polite. Have your transaction details ready, and clearly explain your situation. By understanding the reasons for the hold and proactively providing the required information, you significantly increase your chances of getting your PayPal funds released quickly. Remember to always check your PayPal account for notifications and respond promptly to any requests. Keep your account in good standing, and you'll have smoother transactions in the future.